What is compound interest? So unlike simple interest, compound interest is like earning interest on top of interest. It's not just the initial investment that grows, but also the interest that it earns. So let's say you put $1,000 into an account with 5% annual interest. That first year you earn $50, and then the second year you earn interest on that $1,050, not just on the initial $1,000. This process grows your savings faster and can seriously add up over time. But compound interest can also work against you when it comes to debt. So if you have a debt with compounding interest, then that debt can keep getting higher and higher, and it's sort of like a snowball effect. But when compound interest is working for you, it can grow your savings exponentially. Compound interest works for investments such as high-yield savings accounts, bonds, and certificates of deposit. Drop a comment below to let me know what topic you want me to break down next.